It's a great life. I raised my daughter here, and as a matter of fact, she's getting married on Hidden Peak, top of the tram, April 22nd of this year, and my wife and I got married on top of this tramway, April 25th, 1987. My biggest connection with the tram is I ride it every morning for the last 45 years. It is a great way to commute to work. My first memory of the tramway is the tram was being built in 1971. And I was fortunate enough to be invited to take a helicopter ride to Hidden Peak. Just to fly up and see this massive building here that we have, and each one of the 4 towers, and then the structure on Hidden Peak, for me, was like a wow.
And at this time, all major runs on the mountain are open, except for Baldy, which is delayed until that warming occurs. When that occurs. If you need any further information, please check out a trail map or see Patrol here on the peak or a mountain host. And as always, have a good one.
Thank you, Mr. Duckworth.
This is my 29th year operating a tram and loving life. 7.5 minutes is our usual running time. Top speed is 10 meters per second.
It's a competitive ride. It's like, how many trams did you get in today? Well, I got 12. Oh, well, I got 10. Well, I got 15. Well, I got 20. Tramzoids, we call them. You know, it's 3,000 feet. So you do 10 trams, you get 30,000 feet in.
It has a lot to do with this mountain. It has everything to do with this mountain. Snowbird is probably one of the steeper mountains, more aggressive mountains in the world.
You know, the tram is, for us, really is kind of the center of the universe.